Jenna, you ready to go back to school? You're all warm and comfortable in your civvies? Do you have everything you need?
Yes, Mum. I've got my device, I've got my charger for my device, and I've got my headphones to use for my device. I've also got my own sanitizer, baby wipes, and I've even got a whiteboard marker that we're going to leave at school.
Okay, great. We packed you a healthy lunch in a separate lunch bag. Did you remember to bring your hat for playtime?
Yes, Mum. It's in my bag, along with my spare face mask. And I'm also wearing one right now because you have to come to school with it on.
Great. Do you remember that you can't use your lockers? So you need to take responsibility for your own belongings.
Yes, I know, Mum. Okay, bye. I'll see you later.
Oh, before you go, did you remember to bring your signed health form with you?
Yes, it's right here. And you don't have to stay. Mrs. Carey said that she'll call you if there's anything wrong.
Okay, have a good day. Bye.
But we know that we've got to keep our social distancing. Welcome back to school. Lovely to see you. Please go follow the lights, and when you get to the top of the stairs, you're going to have your bag, your cell phone, anything else that you have sanitized, as well as your shoes. Mrs. Coleman will take you.
Good morning, Jenna. Nice to see you back at school. Please will you sanitize your hands? Step forward, put your foot on the pedal, face down. There we go. Right, will you turn around and I will sanitize your bag? Thank you. Have you got a cell phone that you would like to sanitize? Yes. Right, please take a wipe to sanitize your cell phone. Thank you. Please step into the foot bath and then carry on to these screens.
Hi, welcome back, Jenna. So nice to see you. Have you got the form from your mother?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Okay, lovely. Everything's fine. Let me just register you here. Okay, now you may go over to Mrs. Hendricks for your temperature.
Good morning, Jenna.
Time for your temperature. Can you please sanitize and walk through the door?
Good morning, Jenna. Welcome back to school. You are going to be in bubble 3, which is Mrs. Bellingham's class, which will be above the admin block. Please remember to social distance as you walk to class, and there will be a teacher at the classroom waiting to greet you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mrs. Andrews. See you later.
Bye.
Hello, Jenna. Before you go upstairs, please will you sanitize again? Put your foot on the pedal. Proceed up the stairs, keeping your social distancing to Mrs. Bellingham's classroom. Have a lovely day, Jen.
You too, Mrs. Carey.
Good morning, Jenna. Welcome to your Bubble 3 class. This is going to be your home while you're at school. So let me show you to your desk now.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable. This is going to be like your own little personal space, your own little office. You're going to have all your lessons in this classroom. So sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Berlington. But what happens when we go out to break?
That's a good question, Jenna. At break, we're going to lead out one by one, bubble by bubble. You're going to sanitize on your way out. You're going to have your lunch, your hat, and your own personal sanitizer with you. Everything else is going to be left in the classroom, and it's going to be locked up safely. You're going to head out to the tennis courts, where a teacher will show you how to sit in your socially distanced little area. At the end of break, you're going to line up in the driveway again. You're going to sanitize at the bottom of the stairs, sanitize when you come into your classroom, remember to socially distance, go back to your seat, and then we'll wait for Mrs. Carey or Mrs. Topless or Mrs. Hendricks to come around and screen you again by taking your temperature.
That all makes sense so far. But I have one more question. Where are we going to wait for our lift at the end of the day?
That is a good question, Jenna. At the end of the day, we're going to lead out bubble by bubble, sanitize our hands, and then we're going to wait on the veranda of the Catherine McCauley building.
Wait, what's the Catherine McCauley building?
That's the name given to our new block. Come on, let's go and show you how the leaving process is. Have you got all of your stuff?
Yes.
Let's go. Remember to socially distance and sanitize your hands at the door. Okay, Jenna, so this is where we're going to be waiting for our lifts, following social distancing practices. And we're just going to wait, and we've got a good view up here for when your lift arrives. Okay, we'll be able to see them really clearly.
There's my mom. Mrs. Bellingham, may I please go?
Okay, you may, Jenna, just please go to the sanitizing station first and just sanitize your hands, and then you may leave.
Hi Jenna, I hope you had a good day. Please turn around so I can sanitize your bag. Thank you. Please sanitize your hands.
Please see you on Wednesday.
See you on Wednesday.